Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making the grilled cheese sandwich. So, let's dive right in. For this amazing grilled cheese sandwich, you'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, a generous amount of your preferred cheese, a bit of butter, a slice of tomato, and some crispy bacon. Now, let's get started. Begin by preheating your pan over medium-low heat. While that's warming up, butter one side of each slice of bread. Lay 1 slice of bread, buttered side down, in the pan. Add a layer of your cheese blend. Go as generous as you like. Place that tomato slice on top, followed by the crispy bacon. And, of course, another layer of that delicious cheese. Finally, top it with the other slice of bread. But now, it's time to grill this beauty. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until it's beautifully golden brown and the cheese inside is ooey gooey perfection. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate grilled cheese sandwich is ready. I hope you enjoyed this simple yet satisfying recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.